Let's cook some rice. This video is for the ladies who are not so confident in cooking rice but would like to know how to do it. Well, here we go. We've got 3 cups of basmati rice, 4 cups of water. Now we need that water about an inch over the rice. You make sure you wash your rice before adding it to the pot. I've added a little knob of butter and a little bit of salt. Cover and allow to steam. Make sure you check it to make sure it's cooked to your liking. If not, you can add a little tip more water. It's up to you. I use my rice cooker, which is a lifesaver. I absolutely love it. It's one of the simplest way to cook rice. So you can get yourself one. Remember guys to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more meal ideas. Thank you for watching.